Here I am at what I'm going to call Raptor's Corner. Up perched on the tree is some sort of raptor, and the Lake Eildon Rowing Club is named. There he's singing, can you hear? They are happy that I'm here. The Raptors. We're going to call this corner, we're going to call it Raptor's Corner. So basically this is where I got to at the end of my journey. Okay, 12, 15 stroke pieces with 15 strokes off. And you couldn't have asked for a better day out here at Raptors Point with a dear friend, the sea eagle, the emblem. There she goes. I think she's nesting up there, I'm not sure. I reckon she's just there. And then she must be the female. And then there's another guy up there flying, and he's looking for the fish. So we have it all here. We have a course on nature at the Lake Eildon Rowing Club as well.